Hi everyone. What's up? Wasn't expecting to see you here. What a lovely surprise. I guess what's this? Wait. This isn't what I think it is. No. The Fifth Doctor and TARDIS from the Caves of Androzani. The B&M set. Wow. Limited edition. That's pretty cool. Well, I guess we should open it. Right. Wow. New room. Well, not that new now, but new to you. New B&M set. To me. Well, got it a few days ago, but I haven't opened it. And for the second or third time ever, I am equipped, ready with scissors, so let's crack this awesome set that everyone very much likes. So let's crack this open. Okay, so then, so I got this in a very, very small B&M store, and it had the most Doctor Who B&M sets I'd seen in any other, which is very strange, but it's true. I still can't seem to find any of the Dalek sets at all, so I thought they've been reduced down to $12.99, which they have, by the way. So I should probably get that. Well, probably shouldn't do that though. There we are. That's the box. I should show you this now, but here's the viewing window, the limited edition sticker, the Fifth Doctor and TARDIS from Caves of Androzani. Exclusive Doctor and TARDIS set. You've got this nice design of the TARDIS here. It says 5.5 inch scale collector series 5 plus Doctor Who. There we go on the side. It just carries on this window. The back you've got some information about Caves of Androzani. Then we've got another promotional picture of the TARDIS and the Doctor, and then here's the bottom. And there we go. So here it is in its gloriness. I suppose. So let's get the Doctor and TARDIS out of here. Right, so I haven't recorded a video in a long time, but that's because I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. Because I have so many videos to upload, I have no space on my computer. So at the time of filming, I have not uploaded a video since my trip to London. And that is only because my computer has run out of storage, which is very helpful. Well, it hasn't actually run out of storage, but not enough storage to kind of get all the footage and stuff, you know. New desk, new bed, new record player. Well, if I didn't have a record player before, which is a very nice record player, by the way. I don't recommend you get any record player because they're amazing. There's the Doctor. And now for the TARDIS. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work. Well, I managed to do it by getting a sharp knife. So, there we go. Just take this out. There we are. There's the TARDIS. And here's the nice, muddy, sandy, sort of background feature we get of Androzani Minor. Haven't seen Caves of Androzani in a while. Pretty sure that's right. So there we are. It's very nice to display in. I've got my one from the Fourth Doctor and TARDIS. The Third Doctor regenerated one. Well, the Fourth Doctor regenerated, depending on how you look at it. So let's get this figure out. My figure collection is just growing and growing, I must say. But here's my first Fifth Doctor figure, a very nice one indeed, from Caves of Androzani. Right here. Here we are. There we go, center him a little bit. Ah, very nice. Right, so here is the Fifth Doctor. I'm sure most of you will know the articulation on these figures. Very nice detail on the cricket jumper, the collar, especially all of the mud here, especially down there. Very nice. So I can't tell you too much about this figure, but you can have a look. All of his clothes are dirty. You've got this splotch on his jumper. His trousers also dirty, same as shoes. And yeah, just a very nice figure, and I'm happy to have it. There we are. Now onto the TARDIS. Let's try this. I managed to do it eventually. So here is the TARDIS. Very nice. Yellow windows. I'm actually ignoring this, but if you just look at this part of the TARDIS, I'm getting a Series 12 vibes here. The yellow windows, the colour of the TARDIS, the not white notice board. Well, it's not really a notice board, but you know what I mean. Yeah, very good design on the wood, making it look actually like wood. If you can see that there, you can kind of see it, especially the sides here. And we've got all sand and mud around the base of the TARDIS. And slightly browny green over the top of the blue. Got a stacked roof. This ugly stuff, we're just going to ignore. We're just going to move on. This side, opening the doors, obviously there's nothing in there, which is very sad. It wouldn't cost very much, I don't think, to put a little bit of card in there, like I have on my 10th Doctor TARDIS, but oh well. Speaking of Series 11 TARDISes, which I know I mentioned a few minutes ago, but they should definitely make a 13th Doctor TARDIS. That would be cool. Very nice detail everywhere overall. Very nice TARDIS Doctor as well. There we are. Very nice. Here we go. Thank you for watching everyone. And look, my Peter Davison autograph is suiting the occasion. Whatever. Anyway, very nice. Thanks for watching. This is my new room. I'm Reb. This is the 5th Doctor. This is his TARDIS from Androzani, and here's Androzani Minor. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, whenever that will be, because my videos are all scrambled and I don't understand. And yeah, goodbye.